Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a woman in Infinite Craft. So let's get in the video. So open up Infinite Craft, and once you've opened up Infinite Craft, then we're going to start with Earth. So you're going to get Earth with Wind. It's going to give you Dust with Earth again, and it's going to give you a planet. And then now we're going to start with Wind again, Wind with Fire. It's going to give you Smoke with Water. It's going to give you Fog, and Fog with Planet. It's going to give you a Venus. So now you can start again with Water with Fire. It's going to give you a Steam with Earth. It's going to give you Mud with Venus. It's going to give you Adam. So now Adam with Earth, it's going to give you a man. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go and use Venus. So Venus with Fog, it's going to give you love. So love, and man, it's going to give you a woman, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.